Hi, I'm Nancy Bell. Before I co-founded Lindamood-Bell Learning Processes, I had the honor of being a classroom teacher. I still cherish my special memories of those times. Pat and Phyllis Lindamood and I wrote language and literacy programs to help students learn to their potential. And then we created workshops to teach teachers how to implement our programs, especially in classrooms. Our lifelong goal has always been to make a difference for as many children as possible. I'm happy to tell you that we've had thousands of teachers participate in our workshops, and now we want to meet one of the needs those teachers have so often requested: more support after the workshop, more training, more materials, and simply more ongoing support.
One thing about Lindamood-Bell's training was that it was interactive. It allowed everyone an opportunity to participate. You're engaged not just with the facilitator, but the other participants. It was truly 100% focused and participating. The trainer was very knowledgeable about the program, but also where the program helped students with different needs. It was amazing.
The training was good. It was a lot of information really fast. And after that point, getting support was really great, and they helped us out a lot. I think that feedback's huge, especially with pacing, because at first you don't really know how to pace your own classroom, so they're the ones that tell you, oh, you need to push forward, or oh, you might want to do that again for a little bit more. If it hadn't have been for the feedback I got my first year, I wouldn't have had any idea where I was going or what to do. So I really liked it.